Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to publish a Shopify store. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. In order to publish a Shopify store, you have to create a Shopify account. For that, open the browser and type shopify.com and then enter your email address here. And click on 14-day free trial, and here is the Shopify store name. To change the store name, you can simply change your store name from here, and if it's available, then click on create your store and now fill up these three options and click on next. And fill up this address book and click on enter my store. So here you can see I've successfully created a Shopify account, and here you can see 14-day trial has been started, and now you can select a plan by clicking here to update your Shopify store. But right now I'm going to starting with the free trial, and the paid plan start from $29 per month. So go to online store, and now we have to install a theme. So you can install default theme by clicking here, or you can visit free themes by clicking here. Also you can see the premium theme by clicking here, but right now I'm going to installing the default theme. And to see the store, clicking on view your store, and here you can see my Shopify store has been successfully created. And to customize your store, you can click on this customize option and go to home section, and from here you can add product to your store. You can add domain from here. So this was how we can set up a Shopify store.